What's up? It's your boy Mike Lupa. We out here at a different beach. This is my first time out here. So we're gonna go give you another walking tour. I know I've been giving y'all a walking tour of Ipanema and what do you call that? Copacabana. So this is called Barra da Tijuca. So let me show you how thick this beach is. I thought it was only Copacabana and Rio and Ipanema, Leblon. Now we're gonna walk the beach in a little bit, but first, let's check out the strip. You heard? You gotta remember what this is this brown building. Alright, so what we're gonna do is walk the strip a little bit, then we're gonna hit the beach to see what Barra da Tijuca is all about. Like I said, I'm not gonna be vlogging too much, so it's just walking tours, you know what I'm saying? The whole purpose of me being out here is to give you guys walking tour of Rio de Janeiro and Salvador Bahia, you know, the beach culture pretty much. This is Rio. Baixo de latte. Alright, so just walk with me. Mind you, this is my first time out here, so it's your first time, if it's your first time seeing this beach or on TV. So this is just to show you, to give you another option if you're thinking about coming to Rio. This would be an additional option besides Ipanema, Copacabana, Leblon, and you know the drill. This is about a good 20-25 minutes away in car. I came here on the metro, on the train, but we'll see. They got different type of bars out here. Pepe. But you know me, I'm not a drinker, so and I don't think it's just drinks. They got food also. So we're gonna give you a full tour. A full tour to me is like a full tour to me is like 30 to 40 minutes. So we'll see where that goes. As you know, this is a similar vibe to the other beach. Bars, clubs, well, not clubs, but bars and restaurants and things like that, you know what I mean? Check this out. Oh my, oh, this is this guy's picture right here. What's all this book's about? I know this guy saying, yo man, give me the walking tour. Why are you showing us books? It's in no educational video. You darn right, dude. Let's go. There's supposed to be a locals I'm supposed to come check out. Well, I'm supposed to check out in this part of town. So once I'm done with this little walking tour, actually we're not gonna make this 30 to 40 minutes because we need to have space for this bloco. We need to have space. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit the beach. We're gonna hit the beach to see what it's like. Is it similar to Copacabana, Ipanema, things like that? Or is it like LeBlanc, which is a little bit quieter or less action? Let's go. That shorty look nice. They should look at me like that, yeah. All right, we're gonna check out the beach, y'all. Let's see what it's all about. What's pop? Oh shit! This is crazy. Okay. All right, pretty similar. What do you think? The vibe out here and what do you think? Is it similar to you or is it completely different? There's probably a lot more people out as far as like in the water and Copacabana and Ipanema, but it's relatively similar. People taking pictures. I wonder if out here has a lot of tourists. I think so. But let's go down that way because that's where we're supposed to be heading to, and that is where the local is supposed to be at. But it seems like it's about to rain, so we're gonna be out of luck. It's basically the same vibe. A lot of kids, adults, parents, padres. No, how do you say parents? Yeah, padres. All of a sudden, I'm forgetting my little Spanish. All right, yo. I think we're gonna have to get back outside because I don't like walking in the sand, man. I don't like that at all. We're gonna have to walk in the sand. So basically the whole purpose of this video is to show you the vibe on the beach of Barra da Tijuca. Vendors getting their hustle on. I ain't blaming them. You heard? People just relaxing. I wonder what it's like during the weekdays, like the Mondays and the Tuesday. Since it's summertime out here. All right, let's go. little bit more of the beach. But it seems like it's about to rain. Oh man. Yo. This is the con about walking on the beach. Trying not to dirty my foot. Not dirty, but get it wet. And then it's gonna be all sticky up with it's gonna be all sticky with sand, which is hard to get rid of. All right, now it's about that time that we go back on the main strip, because we got places to be. I think we choose the wrong place to exit. Ah. All right, we're gonna basically our landmark is that building right there. So we're gonna go out that way and then walk it further down up. Ooh-wee. Man, it seems like I'm gonna have to go back. It looks like it's about to rain hard. Look at that. We're gonna have to come back another day or cut this video short. Across the street is full of bars and restaurants also. So these are additional options, just in case you're wondering. And I'm feeling the rain coming. We're gonna have to call it a wrap. Bar and Co. That's the name of this place. Oh man. All right, since it's about to rain. Hey. Since it's about to rain, we about to go just walk all the way to where it says 3 and then come back, go back. Because there's no point of going over there in that rain. I would have loved to check out the Bloco, which started since like 3 o'clock. It's probably been 2 hours or an hour and a half. But looks like it's gonna rain hard. Yo, we're gonna have to cut this short because it is about to rain. So I had to turn around. So I definitely gonna come back here and do a proper video. Now, as far as the day or the time, I don't know. Hopefully next weekend. That's if we have time for next weekend. But definitely, if we here till next weekend, we definitely gonna show you more of this beach culture here in here in Barra da Tijuca. Barra da Tijuca. I'm having a hard time pronouncing it, but you guys know the drill. Barra da Tijuca. Barra da Tijuca. Y'all know the drill. Anyways, as you can see, it's raining. If it wasn't raining, we would have walked all the way down there, and we more than likely would have ran into the bloco. But that's not the case. I'm not trying to get soaking wet out there, so and I'm tired too. I've been out since like 10 in the morning. So hope you guys enjoy the short tour of Barra da Tijuca. Even though I didn't get to show you the whole place, but at least it's better than nothing. All right, for those of you that's brand new, go ahead and subscribe and press the like button on this video, please. And I'll catch you on the next one. Right.